Hello, everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in the safari we are exploring the peacock for our amazing animals. Did you know? Peacocks, known for their vibrant and extravagant plumage, are a captivating species of birds native to South Asia. The male peafowl, commonly referred to as a peacock, is renowned for its magnificent train of iridescent feathers, while the female, called a peahen, possesses a more subdued appearance. The most striking feature of a peacock is undoubtedly its train, which consists of long, colorful feathers with eye-like markings. During courtship displays, the peacock spreads its train in a magnificent fan, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The display is accompanied by loud calls and elaborate movements to attract the attention of peahens. Peafowls are omnivorous and feed on a variety of foods, including insects, small reptiles, grains, fruits, and vegetation. Their diet varies depending on their habitat and availability of resources. These birds are adaptable and can thrive in diverse environments, including forests, grasslands, and farmlands. They have the ability to fly, although their flight is limited to short distances. Peafowls are highly social and often form groups known as parties, or prides, which consist of several females and a single dominant male. Conservation efforts for peafowls focus on protecting their habitats and addressing threats such as habitat loss, illegal hunting, and capturing for the pet trade. In some regions, they are considered a cultural and religious symbol, which has contributed to their protection. Peafowls are not only known for their beauty but also for their ecological significance. They help control insect populations, aid in seed dispersal, and contribute to nutrient cycling in their habitats. Appreciating and preserving peafowls is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ensuring the survival of these stunning birds. By supporting conservation initiatives and raising awareness about their importance, we can secure a future where peafowls continue to enchant us with their striking appearance and captivating displays.